for ilang months na din namin siya tinry itago, and now, yes, we're officially announcing it out. May mga iba bang kailangan silang abangan in the coming weeks.
Kapamilya, superstar na sina Catherine Bernardo at James Reid magpapasabog ng kilig sa publiko. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Mainit na pinag-usapan ngayon sa mundo ng social media ang kapamilya, superstar na sina Catherine Bernardo at ang singer-actor na si James Reid, na kung saan kumpirmadong magtatambal sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ng dalawa. Kung matatandaan nitong nakalipas na linggo ay isang post ang ibinahagi ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang social media account kung ano ang parating na sorpresa ng dalaga. At kahapon nga, August 29, 2025 ay binahagi ng Dreamscape Entertainment sa kanilang official social media account ang isang video kung saan makikita sina James Reid at Catherine Bernardo na nagkukulitan sa photoshoot.
I'm good.
Pasabog ng
Diba? Nakita ko nga.
Saan pa siya Catherine nga? Ano bang, anong moniker niya ni,
No, wala. Because, this is like, yes, a surprise for everyone since they announced it kaninang lunchtime, I think. So, yeah, medyo na siya, for ilang months na din namin.
At matapos nga makumpirma ang tambalang Catherine Bernardo at James Reid, ay nagkataon na dumalo si Catherine Bernardo sa isang event na kung saan dito na corner si Catherine ng mga entertainment press, na kung saan ibinunyag nito na maraming kaabang-abang na gagawin sina James Reid, na marami tuloy ang nag-aabang ngayon para suportahan ang bagong love team ng ABS-CBN sa kanilang first ever acting project, na binansagan na nga sila ngayon ng ilang fans bilang Catherine.
For ilang months na din namin siya tinry itago, and now, yes, we're officially announcing it. I'll be doing a TV series with James Reid. So it's not love team and all, more of partnership talaga siya, because this is his comeback as well. And may mga iba bang kailangan silang abangan in the coming weeks.
Ngunit hindi maiwasan ng maraming netizens ang nagtatanong kung kumusta at kung ano kaya ang reaksyon ng dating ka-love team nina Catherine Bernardo at James Reid na sina Daniel Padilla at Nadine Lustre. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panorin at pakinggan ang pahayag ni Catherine Bernardo. Narito ang
sino pa ibang makakasama namin. So very, very exciting project.
Ano yung reaction that when the announcement was dropped, parang everything blew up?
Kanina nga, actually, it was Mama who told me kasi I was getting ready for the event. So nung umalis na kami, parang sinabi niya, in-announce na nila. So I checked it online, tapos nakita ko na nakakatawa because everyone's excited. Medyo matagal na din since my last area and also with James. So, very refreshing. Hopefully, maganda. Ang ganda-ganda ng concept na tong series na to. So, it's something na kailangan nilang abangan.
What appeals to you nung inilatag sa'yo yung storya ng Dreamscape?
Ang dami ko kasi kinonsider, but maybe just like with my other projects, whether it's a TV series or a movie or pelikula man yan, kung ano yung what feels right. And out of all the stories that they have presented, parang this one yung parang something na gusto kong gawin. Kasi it's not just, about love story, it's about friendship, family, and it's about women.
Ang sabi pa, this is the collab that we didn't expect.
I did not expect it to. Baka si James na hindi niya in-expect. So,
It's a crossover of all crossover.
I know! Nung sinabi ko din sa kanya nung nag-shoot kami for that video and our look test, parang grabe, who would have thought na after ilang years, we're both from different love teams, tapos now we're comeback niya rin, tapos wala posible na talaga ngayon. So it's just exciting, and it excites us even more na ang dami ng possibilities ngayon, whether from a different network or different love team before, walang imposible.
Dito na lang muna ang ating video, at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!